goes down, the room gets cold. I'm holding memories I can't let go. A glass is sitting by my side, but nothing heals what's breaking inside.
I drove alone beneath the evening sky, trying to hide the tears inside my eyes. Your picture still lives inside my phone, but somehow I've never felt this alone.
I tried to drown the pain tonight, chasing shadows underneath the neon lights, but every road I take comes back to you, and every broken dream still leads me through.
Then I heard a whisper in the silence, child, you don't have to run anymore.
I looked up through my tears and darkness and felt your love standing at my door. When the night gets heavy, Jesus hold me. When my broken heart says I'm alone, when I've lost the strength to keep believing, be the light that leads me home. I don't need another bottle to forget, I don't need to hide my tears tonight. You can take this heart that's barely beating and teach it how to live again in life.
There are scars nobody ever sees. There are prayers I whispered on my knees. I told you, Lord, I've gone too far. You answered, I know exactly where you are.
I thought my failure was the end, I thought my heart could never love again, but mercy found me in my lowest place, and I saw forgiveness in your face.
So I put the glass down slowly, let the tears fall where they may.
For the first time in a long, long while, I felt tomorrow calling my name. When the night gets heavy, Jesus hold me. When my broken heart says I'm alone, when I've lost the strength to keep believing, be the light that leads me home. I don't need another bottle to forget, I don't need to hide my tears tonight. You can take this heart that's barely beating and teach it how to live again in life. You see me when nobody sees me, you hear me when I cannot pray, you stay when everybody leaves me, you never turn your face away. I was searching for peace in empty places, I was running from the pain I knew, but tonight beneath these fading city lights, I finally found my way to you.
You are my refuge, you are my home, you are the Father when I feel alone. You are my healing, you are my peace. You take my broken pieces and make my heart breathe.
When the night gets heavy, Jesus hold me. When my broken heart says I'm alone, when the world goes quiet around me, be the voice that calls me home. No more running, no more hiding, I surrender every tear tonight. Take this heart that has been shattered, fill it with your everlasting light. The night is dark, but I'm not alone. Your love has finally brought me home. Tomorrow may bring another fight, but I'll walk with you into